Hi there, this is Homer Christensen with the Micro Community Project, and I want to tell you a little bit about what we're doing and what we're all about. The Micro Community Project is an initiative that is, our sole purpose is to help encourage and promote people developing communities, and as communities evolving and helping humanity actually evolve into the next stage, helping us survive, helping us live in balance and harmony with the world and all of its creatures. One of the goals of the Micro Community Project is to gather together all of the amazing research, all of the amazing products, all of the amazing thoughts and the people who are doing this amazing work. Gather them together in one area. We have a social site set up just for that, where you can communicate with other people who already have a community or who want to join a community, or you can work and build a community together. So we want to capture all that information and provide it in a way that is really easy for you to locate it and to put it to use right away where you are at whatever level you can, right? So we also want to create an exportable model that captures the most innovative and pragmatic ideas and visions that are out there. And we work both within the system with building departments and that sort of thing to come up with ideas that are workable through them. So building plans that are permitted already, structures that have passed and exceeded, for instance, earthquake codes and that, such as CalEarth. The stuff they've been doing is incredible for earthen housing. So we want to kind of work within the system and work with outside of the system, so that we work with those visionaries to come up with some of the most incredible research. And we ourselves are planning on doing a lot of research and have model communities where we can put these different processes in place, working together to see, to refine them, to make sure that they can all work together and provide the ultimate aim, which is to live together in harmony with each other and with all of the other elements of our community, whether that be animals, plants, or just the world ecosystem. I mean, because we live here. We live here and we plan on living here. So the Micro Community Project is a really powerful place for you to express your ideas, for you to contribute to the community and help humanity evolve to the next level, so that we can actually work towards world peace, one person at a time, one community at a time, because that's where it's all going to happen. It's going to happen with visionaries and individuals, and I'm one of those individuals, and I think that you are one of those individuals too. And together we can form a community and we can make a difference. We really can. So what I'd like you to do is visit our site. It has hardly anything right now because I'm just launching this initiative, and so I need to start adding content. The spirit's all there, right? But the content isn't. And I welcome your content. Join the Micromunities website, our social site. Add your voice. Add your content. Join and register on the microcommunityproject.com. Add your voice, add articles, add your blog. I want to get as much information on there as I can to help as many people as we can. And then we're also in the running for the Best Ideas for Humanity contest. So what I would really like you to do is vote for us. It takes a moment. You have to sign on and register on their site, but you can vote for us. We'll go through the different levels of the competition, and at each level we'll have more opportunity to refine the idea, to come up, make it more powerful, make it reach more people, and your help is needed in that. So thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for voting, and join the community. I'd love to see you on there. We want to make this world a better place, and we want to make this world actually as beautiful a place as it already is. And anyway, thank you so much. Take care. Have a beautiful day.